Hello everybody. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to use the tool number 4. Let me see. Check it. Yeah. Tool number 4, how to download attachments from ArcGIS Online. Now we already know we can download the records along with the attachments from ArcGIS Online. However, sometimes we only need to download the attachments without download the records, or sometimes we only downloaded the records, forgot how to download the attachments, then we can do it later. So this is a tool we are going to use. Now we found a testing data set to use it. Let's take a look on the, let's see, ArcGIS Online, yeah, this one. Now we know we have a data set, and in my testing data set, that is called Smart Work Order. There's assignment layer there, and we know we have some attachments, testing attachments. Let's take a look. Yeah, to the data, and let's go to the last. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3 records. Here we have some attachments. Let's take a look at what we have. 4 candles. Nice. Okay, so this one have some. It's my testing data, so it's all. This one, what do we have? This looks like something. Oh, my neighbor's house. Okay, now let's see. We have 3 here. Oh, it's a photo. This is my kitchen. Go to work order. And this is a logo. Let's see, music. This is some music sheets. Okay, with some Chinese characters. Okay, let's just using this data. So we have 3. Let's try these 3 records. Now let's see what's the records or object ID number. Okay. By default it's hiding. Now we want it showing. Yeah. To the last, we have number 1, 3, and 5. Okay, let's download these 3 records. Now go back to ArcGIS Online, go back to the Pro, and let's load the data again. Catalog. Now this time we go to Portal. This is my portal. So I have a lot. Oh, Smart Work Order is right here. Double click. We wanted the assignment layer. Just drag it and move to here and drop it. The data is added. Haha, looks like it's input mode. This is inside of water. Okay, so open the table. We want to find out the records is number 1. What's the object ID number? So we want to make sure. Now by default, ArcGIS Online data, the object ID is hidden. So let's open it, take a look. And you go to the field view, click, and object ID, yeah, it is invisible. Now it's visible, and we save the settings, and close this, and go to the front. Object ID, yeah. First records, third one, and 5th object ID. These 3 records we highlighted, and we want to download attachments associated with these 3 records. Now let's take a look. Open the tool. Go back to the project. Double click. Yeah. Now first of all, we want to find the feature layer. Actually, we know it's this layer. Drag to here. With 3 records selected, that's fine. Where to put the attachments? And we want to put somewhere. Let's go to the File Explorer. I already let's see. Go to this folder, is blank. Yeah, this is a blank folder. So go to this folder, that's fine. So open, go to that folder, highlight. Now here, next one asks me if we want to save the attachment information into the ATT table. These are the reference table there. And yeah, we want a yes. Okay. Once we did a yes here, let's see which table. Now let's see. I know we have a number of tables for testing purpose. Let's put somewhere in the, just in the master assignment table will be fine. Okay, let's open it. Because this is a workforce assignment. Yeah, we already have 9 records as a trial. Let's highlight the last one. So the new attachments should be added below that records. Now, let's say we drag and drop this one to the attachment table. And here, let's say it's workforce slash test1 slash, let's say put this here. Now, field mapping. Standard fields like attachment name, type is already added. So what we want to add here maybe is the work order ID. What about that? Okay. Hey, work order ID. Let's say the work order ID is here. And anything else? I don't think so. No. If we want, we can have an assignment ID, and probably not need anything. Just give a try. So this is assignment, online assignment layer. Let's say if anything called a GUID, type, description, GUID is not showing. So if it's not showing, we don't want to copy to here, then just delete it. Okay, so I think this is good enough for our testing purpose. Yeah. Okay, everything's fine now. Let's say run. Yeah, it's running. Message there. Oh, it's already downloaded. It's done. Yeah. So number of records processed 3, and the feature of rows without attachments. Every 3 is attachments. Now, if we highlight more than 3, the sum is without attachments. We're showing here. Number of attachments downloaded is 5. Number of attachments already existing in the folder is, so it's 0 to overwrite or 0 to skip. And the total downloaded size is this. 10 seconds. It's quick. Well, the records is not showing the reference records. So probably we needed to hit this button to refresh it. Yeah. Now it's showing 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And well, the reason I think is the global ID is already showing. This is the global ID, matches the global ID for the ArcGIS Online. Yeah, everything's here. Now let's take a look if they are indeed downloaded. So go back to that folder. Now, yes. Okay, 5 records are downloaded. So this is very simple, and probably you will not use very often, but it will be nice to know you can download attachments without downloading the records. So next one, we are going to show you how to use that tool. So before I close, let's say I want to clean up my 1, 2, 3 for these records there. Now anything, if you don't need it, it's very simple. Just simply click that delete button. So the reference is gone. Yeah. Then you deleted the file on your hard disk. So everything's clean. So I want to save. Otherwise, these records will not be deleted permanently. Yeah, saved. It's fine. All right, we're done with this exercise, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.